guys, so welcome back to my channel, Sean's Specialties. So happy 4th of July weekend, and today we're making a firecracker drink. So let's get right into it. First you put honey around your rim, then you take your Pop Rocks and you spread them out on a plate, and then you take your cup and you twist it, and so you coat the rim of your glass with Pop Rocks. Then you fill it with ice. And now we put in red, white, and blue. So you put in the red. Then I have a secret mixture. It's like a Pina colada, and it's made with pineapple juice and coconut cream. Now we're gonna put that in. Good. And now we need some blue Gatorade. And there we have it, the Firecracker Drink. And with our little leftover Pop Rocks, we put it in so we can make a firework effect. Can you hear that? And we're gonna try it. This is amazing. You guys, I hope you spend a lot of time with your family. Share this recipe and make them this special drink. And have a good 4th of July weekend, guys. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. 3 good things. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye.